Good morning everyone. Today's assembly is being conducted by class 11C. The theme for our assembly is National Unity.
Join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for the morning prayer. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic worlds, where words come out from the depths of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of that habit, where the mind is led forward by the into ever widening thought and action into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning. The thought for the day is manpower without unity is not a state. It has to be harmonized properly to become a spiritual power. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Good morning. The word for the week is amalgamation. It is spelled as Amalgamation. Its meaning is the action, process or result of combining or uniting something. It can be used in a sentence like, the association was formed by the amalgamation of several regional environmental organizations. Thank you and have a nice day.
A very good morning to teachers and all dear students. I am Kapil of class 11C and I will tell you about COVID cases. Firstly, some national news. In India, there are more than 81 lakhs of COVID-19 cases till now, reported 1 lakh deaths linked to the virus. The national recovery rate crossed 91%. Odisha allowed schools to reopen for higher classes from 16th November. GDP of India expected to fall to 27.8% in 2020 and will not cross the 31.7% until 2025. Now some international news on COVID cases. There are 46 million COVID cases in all over the world. The total deaths are 1 million and 33 million are recovered. Active cases are 11 million. US is in the top of the list by reaching 9.5 million cases. In the second, it's India with 8 million cases, then Brazil, Russia, France and other countries. Now, some news from the sports corner. Firstly, some national news. IPL 2020 Sunrisers Hyderabad crushed Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Kings 11 Punjab bank and Chris Gayle to stay alive. Indian women's hockey team can finish top 4 in Tokyo.
Now time for some weather reports. Today maximum temperature will be 31 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature will be 30 degrees Celsius. Probability of precipitation is 6%.
A very good morning everybody. Today I Harshal Patel of class 11C is going to read an article on the topic National Unity Day. National Unity Day, also called as Rashtriya Ekta Divas, commemorates the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was the first Home Minister and also the Deputy Prime Minister of India. He played an important role in uniting India. He is also famous as an Iron Man of India and as one of the founding leaders of the Republic of India. In 2014, the Government of India introduced National Unity Day to pay tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Present day India owes an immeasurable depth of gratitude to the vision, tact, diplomacy and pragmatic approach of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the indomitable man who integrated 562 princely states with the Union of India and prevented the balkanization of the newly independent country. In 1947, India had finally gained a hard-fought independence, but it had come with besetting problems like partition, communal riots, and the refugee crisis. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a crucial role in India's freedom movement and in the integration of India. This day is celebrated because India is a country of diverse religion, culture, tradition, and language, so it is important to maintain the nation's unity. The day aims to spread awareness about Vallabhbhai Patel's contribution to India. On Vallabhbhai's 143rd anniversary, Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the Statue of Unity in Gujarat. It is the world's largest statue with the height of 182 meters. It is located near the Narmada River in the Kevadia colony and faces the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi took a pledge on the occasion. I request all of you to take the pledge along with me. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure the eternal security of my country. Thank you.